How to change caption color in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. After you generate your caption, now here is my caption. So now highlight all the caption. After you select all the caption, then go to this text. Under this text, now all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this color. So here you can go ahead now and choose any color for your caption. So let's say I want to use this red. So after you choose the color of the caption, then go and tap on this animation. So go to caption again. So from this option, now go ahead and choose a style for your caption. So I will advise you to use this one.
Actions.
So as you can see now, or you can go ahead and choose the one that you want to use for your video among this caption style. After you finish, if you want to change the text, just go ahead and tap on this text again. So let's say I want to change the font style. So you can tap on this system. So from there, you'll be able now to see different font style. You can go ahead and choose one among them. So like this one. After you finish, you can export your video. And that's it, guys.